Ocean Reef, a project like no other in a place like no other. An ambitious development such as Ocean Reef Islands demands world-class exceptional planning and engineering ingenuity. The most qualified professionals have been retained to research and develop the Ocean Reef Islands. The island's design responds to the requirements of prestigious modeling, coastal engineering, and environmental firms. These firms provided the guidelines for the location of the islands in order to produce a unique combination of engineering and ecological beauty. Delft Hydraulics, the most renowned institution for wave and ocean behavior modeling, studied and analyzed the condition of waves, currents, and environmental storms in the Pacific Ocean to provide the requirements for the most appropriate design of the islands, considering safety, constructability, and urban living aesthetics. The construction process of the islands will start with the removal of marine mud in order to prevent unwanted settlements, and will be done following strict guidelines that minimize the disturbance of the marine environment and turbidity of the water. Once the mud is removed, the process of establishing the foundation will begin. The foundation for the islands will be atop solid rock and basalt formations, starting with the construction of a wall that will tame the bravest storms and allow the containment of the fill material for the islands. To better understand the magnitude of the sea wall, it's better to describe it. The layer facing the ocean will have rocks weighing approximately 1 to 3 tons each. This stiff outer layer will absorb and dissipate the energy of the waves. At the same time, it will protect the core of the wall made out of rocks weighing approximately 5 to 50 kilos, designed to filter out excess water and provide interlocking stiffness. The inside part of the seawall will have a geotextile filter to prevent the inside fill from escaping into the ocean. Rock and sand mines to be used in the construction of the islands will be extracted from areas located outside human settlements to minimize environmental impacts. Once the wall is out of the water, the placing of the rocks will be done by using cranes aided by tractors and other heavy construction equipment. Underwater inspections will be carried out by engineers trained in expert diving techniques in order to examine underwater rock and geotextile layer placement. The inspectors will be responsible for checking if the rocks are stable and interlocked correctly. They also check for signs of fatigue or splintered rocks. Every 27 meters, they come to the surface and report, making this a precise and detailed study. The density, size, strength, permeability of the structure is crucial. The breakwater has to be perfect. When the seawall is well advanced in defining the perimeter of the island, powerful trailing suction hopper dredgers will commence the amazing 3 million plus cubic meters of sand fill to build firm land in the middle of the ocean. With the seawall completed and the internal sand fill vibro-compacted to specifications, the new islands will receive soil fill adjusted and compacted to provide the desired landscaping. After land has been successfully reclaimed, the infrastructure works will start with the latest technological advances in communications, illumination, landscaping, and surveillance to serve the future community. The infrastructure work involves the simultaneous construction of 2 bridges of approximately 160 meters long, one for each island. More than 150 professionals per island will work around the clock for approximately 18 months following the strictest security and environmental guidelines in order to complete this amazing reclamation development in the heart of Panama.